Hi, hello. Well, now let's see how we can send data, okay? Or variables or values or information like you want to say. But well, the point is how we can send information to the next activity, okay? Well, in this case, let me show you, okay, how we can send the data here. Remember we have an intent. The intent is the way to call the new activity. Okay, we can add something like this. Okay, let's put here an intent dot put extra, and if you see we have a different ways to send the elements. And a string, if we want to send an int or byte or char or long, actually if you think more about it, you see we have a lot of variables, okay, a lot of ways or different values to send. Okay, well, in this case let's put extra. Let's put a name. For example, I will put here the name value. Okay, let's put a comma and let's put new value coming, or one new value from main activity. Let's put okay, activity. Okay, and well, this is the way to send the data. That's one step, the first step. But the other step is how we can receive this data. Well, it's not too complicated because at the end we know how we can communicate. Okay, so well, let's move to the second activity. Remember, this is the way to send the data. Now we need to receive the data in the second activity. We have a definition here. Let's put val. Let's put the name value. Okay, and we put message. Well, let's put message. Okay, is the same to intent dot get a string extra second, and we need the same name. Okay, so the name here is value. That's the name, so we need here to add value. Okay, and save. And well, we have actually we can put here a log. Okay, we can put here we can put, let me put tag dot, and let's put message. Okay, well, message to a string. Okay, let's execute this, and I hope it's working at the first time. Let's see. Okay, you see you have the button. Let's click here in next, and now we are in the second activity. Let's put here, and let's let me up the logcat. Okay, let me change here to number 7, and you see we have the error. Obviously it's not an error. Remember, we are using the error to see in color red the string. Okay, but it's not an error. And here we have the value here. We are receiving the value from the other one. Okay, so well, congratulations, this is the way to pass data between activities.